Okay, today I will show you how to extract GCM dataset. For example, I want to extract targeted grid points from large geospatial data. So let me share the screen. Okay. So what I'm telling you is that I want to extract this grid point for example, the state of Johor. They have we have 28 grid point on the state of Johor. Out of this 173 grid point for Peninsula Malaysia. So I already have the rainfall for this grid point. So I want to only extract this grid point for Johor. So that I will not, I don't need to re-extract the data from the NC file, but I will just extract the data from the rainfall for 173 grid point of Peninsula Malaysia. For this example, we are not going for rainfall. We are using a Area 5 temperature dataset. So for this purpose, what we need the player library. So we need to run this one, install it if you doesn't have it, and then set our working directory where we put our dataset. So this is our working directory. Working directory means the address of where you put folder address where you put your data. So, and then for Johor grid, we have 78 grid, right? So for Johor grid, I will run this data. So for example, this is Johor grid. I have 28 grid. So this is the data, let long Johor. So this is the grid. I want to extract only rainfall which have this grid. And then this is let long for Peninsula Malaysia. So Peninsula Malaysia is let long PM. So this is grid point for Peninsula Malaysia. We have 178 grid point, right? But out of this 178 grid point, I only want to extract 28 grid rainfall. So this is the rainfall data set, which is this rainfall data, which is Peninsula Malaysia Area 5 T-min, minimum rainfall for daily. So I have PM Area 5 T-min daily. So we have this rainfall data. You see from 1950 Area 5 to 2022. So we have V1 until V173. That means this is all grid point for Peninsula Malaysia. But I only want to extract 28 grid point for Peninsula Malaysia. So I have the grid point for Johor for 28 grid point and grid point corresponding for V1 until V173 for Peninsula Malaysia. And then let's extract that data. So first we mutate the data. We create ID for each grid point in Peninsula Malaysia. We run this one. So we have Peninsula Malaysia just now, right? We have V1 until 173. We make ID for it, that one. So we can see that each of that let long, we have let long for 173 grid point. We give it ID from 1 until 173. And then we match it with our let long. We match the grid for Johor grid just now with let and long for our Johor dataset. So we match the grid by this one, and now we have the grid that is matching with this Johor dataset. So the one that match 179 in let long that is matching, we extract that dataset. We extract it as that dataset, corresponding dataset. So we have 139 until 173. That's mean that's this rainfall 139. Here 139 is all rainfall for Johor until 173. So this is all rainfall for Johor, state of Johor. So after we match the grid, we extract the dataset. So we extract the dataset by using this code. rainfall dataset. We select year, month, and day. We run this one, and then we write the data that we have for Johor, but for CSV file. Okay, now we extract that one. So we have this. After it's extract, it will appear in your working directory. So 139 until 173 is our rainfall from 1950 to 2022. This is rainfall for Johor. So instead of, for example, for our study area, instead of extracting all the data set from very large data set of area 5, we can just extract the smaller study area just like this, easier and faster. So I hope this will be helpful. Thank you for watching.